I'm Dr. Srinath Manikanti. I'm a senior pediatrician at Growing Up Children's Clinic, and I'm senior neonatologist and head of the department at Fortis Latham Hospital, Richmond Road. It is quite common for a toddler to have frequent coughs and colds, especially if they start going to nursery. They do pick up various bugs from the other children, and each and every one's respiratory system is lined by hundreds of thousands of viruses. And when they get exposed to other children's viruses, their immune system starts throwing reactions and they present with cough and cold, sometimes even fever. And it is not worrying as long as the child is not losing weight. Usually they do grow out of this by about 4 or 5 years of age. To watch more videos of me, you can subscribe to Dr. Sarkar.